Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with First Team Real Estate, full guide step by step clearly. Step 1. Understand your goals. Identify what scaling means for your business. Consider whether you want to increase your sales volume, expand your team, or enhance your market presence. Step 2. Leverage First Team's resources. Utilize the comprehensive training and support provided by First Team. Engage with industry-leading coaching to sharpen your sales skills. Step 3. Build your brand. Create a strong personal brand that aligns with First Team's reputation. Invest time in developing a professional online presence across social media platforms. Step 4. Network effectively. Connect with fellow agents and industry professionals. Attend local events and engage in community activities to expand your contacts. Step 5. Implement a solid marketing strategy. Utilize First Team's marketing tools to create effective campaigns. Focus on digital marketing, including social media, email campaigns, and SEO. Step 6. Monitor your performance. Regularly track your sales metrics and key performance indicators. Use data analysis tools to understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Step 7. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated on industry trends and best practices. Participate in ongoing training sessions and workshops offered by First Team. Step 8. Consider expanding your team. Identify potential team members who share your vision and values. Provide training and support to help them grow alongside your business. Step 9. Focus on customer relationships. Offer exceptional service to clients to encourage repeat business and referrals. Engage with past clients through follow-up communications and events. Step 10. Embrace technology. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.